Adding decimals. Steps to add decimals. So we first are going to line up the decimal. Then we're going to add zeros to have the same number of place values to the right of the decimal. And then thirdly, we're going to add by starting on the right, and we're going to move to the left. So let's look at example 1. 2 pieces of steel are welded together. Find the total length if the first piece is 10.25 inches long and the second piece is 14.19 inches long. So let's go ahead and add these two numbers. So we have 10.25, then we have 14.19. Notice that we lined up the decimal, and then we lined up all the place values after the decimal. So we have our tenths and our hundredths, and then to the left we have our ones and then our tens. So now we have lined it all up. We don't need to add any more zeros because these both have 2 place values after the decimal. So we can start by adding on the far right. So we have this 5 plus 9 is 14, so we put a 4 below, carry the 1. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 1 is 4. So we put a 4 below. Then we see we have our decimal. We just go ahead and bring that straight down. Now we have 0 plus 4 is 4. 1 plus 1 is 2. So what we would say, we have the total length is 24.44 inches. Let's do another example. Example 2. Solve for the following. So we have two numbers. We have 143.7. Then we have 6.571. Notice we lined up our decimals first, and then we need to add 2 zeros. This way our decimals place values are the same for both numbers. Now we can start by adding, and start by adding on the far right. We have 0 plus 1 is 1. 0 plus 7 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. So we put the 2 below, and we're going to carry the 1. We're going to put the decimal straight down. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 6 is 10. So we put a 0 there, carry the 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. And then we just have a 1. So our new number is 150.271 when we add these two numbers together. Now let's do another example. Example 3. A welder welded a coupler on a mobile home. It took 9 hours of welding rods to weld the frame. The cost of the rods were $36.45, and the cost of labor for 3.75 hours was $224.50. What is the price for just the rods and the labor for the project? So we need to add this number and this number together. So let's go ahead and put the 224.50 on the top, and then we have 36.45. Now we need to go ahead and add. We lined up our decimals. We don't need to add any zeros, so that's why we can begin by adding, and we start on the far right. 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. Bring down that decimal straight down. 4 plus 6 is 10, so we put a 0 below, carry the 1. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 3 is 6. And then we just have the 2 and bring that straight down. So we have the cost for the rods and the labor for that project is $260.95. Let's do another example.